Kilala mo ba si Neneng B?
Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan! Manong ulam!
Oo. Alam mo bang nagpo-fall under ang pagtatrabaho ni Neneng B sa child labor? Yes, tama. Para malinawan tayo, ano nga ba ang child labor? Child labor refers to the exploitation of children through work that interferes with their education, health, and personal development. Moreover, it involves children who are either too young to work or engage in harmful activities that compromise their physical, mental, social, and educational well-being. Ngunit, paano nga ba natin mako-consider ang pagtatrabaho ng mga bata bilang child labor o child work? Child work is supervised by responsible and caring adults, and the work is appropriate to the child's age and mental capacities. On the other hand, child labor works unsupervised or supervised by abusive adults and works very long hours and limited or no time for school, play, or rest for the children. Pagkatapos nating alamin ang difference between child work at child labor, tumungo naman tayo sa causes of child labor. Here are some of the causes of child labor. First, poverty. Second, unhealthy family and economic deprivation. Third, lack of access to quality education. Fourth, discrimination and social norms. Fifth, natural disasters and climate change. And lastly, poor governance and corruption. After discussing the causes of child labor, here are the reasons why child labor never stops. First is the poverty. Poverty is the basic reason and driving force that compels these children to work like laborers and earn a little money at the end of the day. The bad financial condition of trust to the problem of child labor. Alam naman natin na ang poverty ang isa sa root causes ng mga social issues na laganap dito sa ating bansa. At dahil dito, napipilitan ang mga kabataan na magtrabaho na higit pa sa kanilang mga kapasidad sa paggawa. Second is parental illiteracy. Lower-class people are mostly illiterate, so it is difficult for uneducated parents to understand the importance of education for their children. Tama naman, di ba? Paano malalaman ng ilang mga magulang ang kahalagahan ng pag-aaral kung sila mismo ay hindi nakapag-aral? Dahil dito, mas napaprioritize ng mga kabataan ang magtrabaho kaysa sa mag-aral. Third is traditions and social norms. Children are forced to follow the footprints of their parents. The view that work is good for the character building and skill development of children. Minsan naman, dahil sa family pressure, nagagawa ng ilang mga kabataan ang maagang mamulat sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo. O kaya naman, ipagpatuloy ang legacy kahit ito ay higit sa kanilang kakayahan at wala sa kanilang nais. Fourth and lastly, the poor governance and failure of laws. Another main reason for the promotion of child labor is due to the failure of government in practicing the laws to stop child labor, due to which child labor is increasing day by day. With the social context and as someone who is part of the community, mapapansin talaga natin ang kahalagahan ng mga laws sa pagprotekta at pag-provide ng mga trabaho sa mga nakakatanda upang mapigilan ang child labor. After discussing what is child labor, its causes, and the reasons why it never stops, now, here are the laws that protects and restrict children from child labor. Presidential Decree Number 442, Article 139. It stated here that no child below 15 years old shall be employed except under specific circumstances. Minors aged from 15 to 18 may work, but the nature of the job must be pose a hazard to their health, safety, and morals. It also stated here that 50 years old is only permissible if they are working under the direct responsibility of their parents or guardians and the employment does not interfere with their schooling. Next is the Article 59 of the Presidential Decree Number 603 or the Child and Youth Welfare Code. This outlines the criminal liability of parents or guardians from various actions that harm a child's welfare. This includes concealing or abandoning the child to make them lose their civil status, neglecting their education, exploiting the child, and other acts that endanger their well-being. Lastly, is the Republic Act No. 7610, or the Special Protection of Children Against Child Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. Children below 50 years old may not be employed except when they work directly for their parents. It also stated here that children between 15 to 18 years old are prohibited from undertaking hazardous work, which includes being exposed to harmful chemicals and dangerous machineries. Moreover, Section 16 of the Republic Act No. 7610 stated that any person who violates the provision of Section 12B of this Act, or the employer of the subcontractor who employs or the one who facilitates the employment of the child, shall suffer from the penalty of fine of not less than 100,000 pesos but not more than 1 million pesos.
Over naman sa ass.